am Bảo with BV Comfort Air Conditioning and Heating. Normally you're supposed to maintain your air conditioning seasonally. If you don't, you will start seeing it leaking water on your ceiling and it damages your home. Today I will show you these safety switches, how to install by yourself to save you big money on the damage. Turn off the power switch. We're going to install this inline safety switch. We're going to split the drain line right here and put it right there. You might have to cut a little bit off right here because for the body right here, so you have to cut a little bit off. Boom, arrow. You mount it like that. Connect this together to braid the all wire. The power wire on the air conditioning will shut off your AC when it's too much water. Open this two screws. Go in here, and we'll braid the power line right here. The power wire go through the safety switch and coming back to that one. We got power now. This safety switch is a little bit harder to run the wire between, go through the furnace and things like that. So I recommend you guys get a service tech to do it for you, or you can call me at 281-781-3391.